Hi friends, I'm Choco Banana. Today's story is Ello the elephant who learned to listen. In the heart of the jungle, Ello the elephant loved one thing more than bananas: talking. He talked during games, during breakfast, even at bedtime. One day, the jungle animals held a big storytelling circle. Everyone gathered: lions, monkeys, birds. When it was Ello's turn, he talked and talked and talked. But the next day, nobody came to the storytelling circle. Ello felt confused and a little lonely. He asked the wise old turtle, "Why did everyone leave?" The turtle smiled, "Because Ello, you never listened to their stories." Ello's ears drooped. For the first time, he stayed quiet and listened. Next day, he heard the monkeys' funny tales, the birds' travel stories, even the shy snail's adventure. Ello had more friends than words. From that day on, he became the best listener in the jungle, and the animals couldn't wait to talk to him again. Moral of the story: real friendship starts when we stop talking and start listening. Please like, share, and subscribe Choco Banana. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.